Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off keyboard clicks on iPads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPad. In Settings, select Sounds from the left sidebar. At the bottom of Sound Settings, there is an option for keyboard clicks. Disable the toggle to turn off keyboard clicking sounds. Your iPad will no longer make the fake clicking noise while typing. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.